Seb the Collie loves tennis balls, but not just any tennis ball. He's quite particular and he's always got to play with the same one. Let's see if Seb can find his ball. Where's your ball, Seb? Good boy. Seb is almost 2 years old. He's a collie and he's got a condition called megaesophagus, which means that he needs to eat on quite a strict schedule in order to aid his digestion. He's looking for an experienced collie home with someone who's home quite a lot of the time so that they can make sure that he eats to schedule and stays healthy. When he's not eating, Seb loves to play with tennis balls, and he would do this all day if he could.